In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the checkout page on WooCommerce. Whether you're running a small online store or managing a large e-commerce site, customizing your checkout page can make a huge difference in the experience your customers have. A streamlined, user-friendly checkout process can reduce cart abandonment and help you close more sales. Today, I'll guide you step-by-step through the process, from installing the right tools to making and testing your customizations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a checkout page that not only looks great, but works exactly the way you need it to. Let's dive in. First things first, log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is your starting point for managing everything on your site, including your WooCommerce store. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and navigate to the Plugins section. Plugins are like little apps that extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and we'll be using a couple today to customize your checkout page. Click on Add New Plugin, which will take you to the WordPress plugin repository. Now, in the search bar, type WooCommerce. If you haven't already installed WooCommerce, this is where you'll find it. Go ahead and click Install, and then Activate to get it up and running. If WooCommerce is already installed and active on your site, you can skip this step and move on to the next. Once WooCommerce is active, you'll notice a new menu item labeled WooCommerce in your dashboard's left-hand menu. Click on it, and then select Settings. This is the control center for your WooCommerce store. From here, you can configure all kinds of options, including the checkout page. In the WooCommerce settings, navigate to the Checkout tab. Here you'll find some basic options for customizing your checkout page. For example, you can enable or disable certain fields, like requiring a phone number or making an address optional. Take your time to review these options and adjust them to suit your store's needs. While these basic settings give you some control, they're limited in scope. If you want more advanced customization options, you'll need to install an additional plugin. To do this, head back to the Plugins section of your dashboard and click Add New. This time, search for specific plugins like WooCommerce Checkout Manager or WooCommerce Checkout Field Editor. Both of these are excellent tools for taking your checkout page customization to the next level. Once you've found the plugin you want to use, click Install and then Activate to enable it on your site. After activating your chosen plugin, you should see its settings appear in your dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section, and this is where the real customization begins. Depending on the plugin, you'll have the ability to add new fields, edit existing ones, or remove fields that you don't need. For example, you might want to add a custom field for gift messages, remove a company name field if it's not relevant to your customers, or rearrange the order of fields to improve the flow of the checkout process. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. Most plugins will have a Save button at the bottom or top of the settings page, so make sure you click it to apply your updates to the checkout page. Now, before calling it a day, there's one crucial step left. Testing. Go to your site's checkout page and go through the process as if you were a customer. Check that all the fields appear exactly as you've configured them. Make sure required fields are working correctly, optional fields behave as expected, and most importantly, test the payment process to ensure it's seamless from start to finish. Testing is key to catching any issues before your customers do. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce checkout page. By following these steps, you've created a more tailored, efficient checkout experience for your customers, which can ultimately lead to more conversions for your store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.